Today was a food bank day. I did not go because I thought I had enough stuff. I think I have enough things in my house. So anyway, my neighbor went and she brought me back all these goodies. A lot of this is stuff that she just don't eat. And I told her whatever she doesn't want, I'll take it. So I got a bunch of avocados here. And I have a bunch of carrots. So you guys, I'm thinking I may make me some type of soup. And I'm really grateful and thankful. So what did I get? She gave me some bell pepper, green bell pepper. She specifically grabbed me a bag of pistachios because she knows I love these. She thinks this is a grapefruit, but now I'm looking at it and I think it's an orange. We're going to get into it one day and I'll show you what it is. So I have a bunch of avocado. I got a little baby orange here. A bunch of white potatoes. One red potato. And she scared me when I went to the door with these things. There's some type of peppers. Let me see. I could bite one. I'll bite one. Oh. Yeah. These are some hot peppers. So I may make another batch of pepper sauce with these. Maybe not. I don't know. I might use these and cut them up. They're not that hot. But anyway, look at there. Isn't that nice? This is what my friend brought me from the food bank because she didn't want all of these vegetables.